Well, they did it again. Another boring week. Just kidding. Today, we're going to do another Stock Market Weekly update. A little bit later than usual, but guess what? Here we go. A little bit of a good old midnight update starting into the new week, so see how we're going to be headed off. I'm excited for tomorrow, so we'll go ahead and take a look at what happened last week. So, starting off here, as usual, I have the Dow Jones pulled up, which on the week, what a shocker, down 1.53%. Boring. That's not what we're looking for. We want to see some gains. If we want to analyze some of this, you'll see Monday, boring. Not very eventful Monday. But Tuesday, you might be like, what the heck happened Tuesday? Am I right? So Tuesday, good day, right? What happened is we start off with good news that we're going to be delaying those additional tariffs on certain items, quote-unquote certain items, from the Chinese imports. We're going to be delaying them until December now. So there's going to be a deadline set in December so they can work on getting a better trade deal created. Makes sense. I know there's been quite a few delays on these things, but overall it's good for a lot of our companies if we postpone on this and try to make a better deal. So that's going to be the goal here. So obviously Tuesday, wonderful. I thought we were in the money for the week. I thought we were just going to zoom this week. Then, what can I say? Wednesday, these fear-mongering analysts telling me I'm going into a recession? Really? Fear-mongering. The recession fears. It's making everyone sell. I get the fear. People are kind of more going into commodities, bonds rather than stocks, but that is not necessarily an indicator that we're headed towards a recession by any means. Economy growth is slowing slightly, but we're still at record points, and it's still very noteworthy. I don't think there's necessarily a need to be so fearful that it is looming right around the corner. No one can predict it. No one can predict a recession. They never will. That's why people lose money, because they can't predict it. What a shocker. So in my opinion, it's always best just to keep on investing through. If we do hit a recession, just keep on investing through it. You need to not worry about it. The only way you gain wealth is by investing. It's the main way to gain wealth and actually get rich. I shouldn't say rich. Get wealthy. That sounds a little bit better. Get wealthy, even in the face of adversity, without having to necessarily work for all that money. So if you want to have a good retirement, be better off. What happened to there? What did I just say? Be better set off for the rest of your life. Investing is the way to go. As young as you can, just go ahead and start. I like this guy right here. Sean, I know I shouldn't be looking at this, but Sean LaGloss. What a guy. Sounds good. White House Trade Advisor says it's a certainty that the bull market lasts through 2020? Oh my goodness. What can I say? I wish it did. I sure hope so. If he's right, but no one predicts anything right. Anyways, we're still looking good. Year to date, up nearly 11%, which, I mean, you can't expect more than, on average, around 7% gain in the stock market each year. So overall, we're still ahead of where we're a normal average. Obviously, average depends on several things. It's accounting for recessions where we didn't gain any value during several year periods, but anyways, I think it's time to move on to the S&P. More of the same here. Nothing super significant. I don't want that 1 day. I want that 5-day chart. Regardless, we're going to be looking down here. So on the week, down 1%. Pretty much the exact same chart almost. Tuesday, woohoo, we're going to the moon, baby, we're back. And then guess what? We're not. So, and S&P on the year is up 15%. So another good sign. Just really, really exciting stuff still, regardless. I'll take it. I'll take it for sure. So year to date, I'm still okay with where we're at. Obviously, we're in a little bit of a headwind, and we've had some very wild days, but this week was no exception. Very big wild days. I hope that squeak didn't get caught up on this microphone. It's time to look at the NASDAQ, baby. Give me that 5-day chart. You already know it. Yeah, I know I'm closed. It's midnight, dude. It's midnight on a Sunday. Well, about to be Monday now. Same old story. 5-day performance down 0.8%, 0.79 if we want to be specific. But year to date, tech has been doing very well. NASDAQ's very tech heavy, up 19%. Ooh, 19% even on the year. So exciting. Still good stuff. So I'm going to take it year to date. That's what I'm looking for. Top performers. Yeah, I don't care about these garbage penny stocks, okay? Don't play around with them. But if you do, you could have just tripled your money. What can I say? No, we're not doing that. We're just kidding. We're not looking at that. Quadrupled your money actually, to be honest, but we're not messing with that. So I think that's really my main goal here. Just another pretty boring week. Nothing major. Obviously, just a couple events that happened. Potential for we delayed tariffs, and then the fear of recession kicked in. So that's why you see a little bit of decrease on the week. Hopefully this week coming up, we're going to be looking a little better, get some good news. I think we can get some morale back. We started off or ended pretty well Friday, so I think we're going to go ahead and lead with some momentum into Monday. So as long as we don't get any weird tweets, so I hope so. Thank you for watching.